Alright, let's get honest. Postpartum recovery was nothing like I expected. I thought it'd be a couple of weeks, maybe some tiredness and a little soreness. But wow, I wish I knew how much my body and my mind would truly go through. There were days I felt amazing, like I could take on the world, and then there were days I couldn't even get out of bed. The swings were real, physically and emotionally. I didn't know it was normal to feel sore for weeks, or that my hair would start falling out, or that I'd cry at commercials for no reason. But here's the thing, I got through it. Some days it was tiny steps, like celebrating a 5-minute shower. Other days, it was just asking for help, even if it felt awkward. What helped me most? Talking to other moms, resting when I could, and remembering that healing isn't a race. Now, I actually feel healthier than before, because I learned to listen to my body and give myself the care I deserved. If you're going through this, please know you're not alone and it's okay to ask for support. I've shared more about my journey and all the little things I wish I knew sooner on my website. So if you want real talk and honest tips, head over to my Miracle Plan online. Let's do this together. You've got this, mama.